The Brilliant Smart Dimmer Switch is a cutting-edge home automation device that seamlessly integrates into your smart home ecosystem. This innovative gadget allows you to control your lights with unparalleled ease and efficiency. Its sleek design and intuitive interface make adjusting lighting levels a breeze, enhancing ambience and energy efficiency effortlessly. The Brilliant Smart Dimmer Switch offers customizable scheduling, remote access via smartphone app, and compatibility with popular smart home platforms like Alexa and Google Assistant. With its advanced features and seamless integration, this gadget elevates your home lighting experience to new heights, offering convenience, comfort, and style in one brilliant package. The Moen Flow Smart Water Leak Detector is a game-changer in home protection, offering peace of mind against potential water damage. This innovative gadget utilizes advanced sensors to detect leaks and abnormal water usage, alerting homeowners instantly through a smartphone app. Its proactive monitoring helps prevent costly water damage by shutting off the main water supply in the event of a detected leak, saving both property and possessions with easy installation. The Moen Flow Smart Water Leak Detector empowers homeowners with proactive water management, safeguarding their homes against unexpected disasters with unparalleled reliability and efficiency. Are you tired of dealing with cooking odors and grease buildup in your kitchen, especially in spaces without proper ventilation? Enter the CIARRA Portable Range Hood. This ingenious gadget is the ultimate solution for kitchen ventilation woes. With its compact and portable design, it can be easily moved and installed wherever needed, ensuring efficient smoke and odor extraction during cooking. The CIARRA Portable Range Hood boasts powerful suction capabilities, adjustable fan speeds, and easy-to-clean filters, making it a must-have for any kitchen setup. Say goodbye to lingering smells and hello to fresh, clean air with this remarkable appliance. Tired of wrestling with outdated, leaky kitchen faucets that seem to have a mind of their own? Say hello to the Kohler kitchen faucet. Ever wished your faucet could read your mind and turn on exactly when you needed it? Well, this innovative gem comes pretty close. With touchless operation and precision control, it's like having a personal assistant in your kitchen, minus the coffee breaks. Its sleek design and durable construction make it a stylish addition to any kitchen, while its water-saving features ensure you're not just splashing cash down the drain. Upgrade your kitchen game with Kohler, where form meets function in the most delightful way. The GEME Composter is a cutting-edge gadget designed to revolutionize composting in households and small-scale gardening setups. Its innovative design utilizes advanced microbial technology to rapidly break down organic waste into nutrient-rich compost, reducing environmental impact and promoting sustainable living. With its compact size and user-friendly interface, the GEME Composter effortlessly transforms kitchen scraps and yard waste into valuable soil amendment, fostering healthier gardens and reducing landfill waste. Embrace eco-friendly practices with this remarkable device, paving the way for greener, more sustainable lifestyles. The Eufy Floodlight CHEME 340 is a state-of-the-art security gadget that combines powerful illumination with advanced surveillance features. Engineered for reliability and performance, it boasts ultra-bright LED floodlights that illuminate dark areas, deterring intruders and enhancing visibility at night. Equipped with a high-definition camera and motion detection technology, It provides crisp video footage and real-time alerts to your smartphone, ensuring round-the-clock surveillance of your property. With its easy installation and seamless integration with smart home systems, the Eufy Floodlight GEME 340 offers unparalleled peace of mind and protection for your home. The Smart Wall Space Heater is a game-changer in home heating technology, offering efficient warmth with unparalleled convenience. This cutting-edge gadget utilizes advanced sensors and smart controls to maintain optimal comfort levels while minimizing energy consumption. Its sleek design seamlessly integrates into any room decor, while its programmable features allow for personalized heating schedules. With remote access via smartphone apps and compatibility with voice assistants, it offers unprecedented convenience and control. Say goodbye to chilly rooms and hello to cozy comfort with the Smart Wall Space Heater. The Retractable Clothesline is a must-have gadget for any home, offering a convenient and space-saving solution for drying laundry, crafted with durable materials. It effortlessly extends to provide ample drying space when needed and retracts back into a compact unit to save space when not in use. Its versatile design allows for installation indoors or outdoors, making it ideal for apartments, homes, and even RVs. Say goodbye to bulky drying racks. Hey, remember Robert Kelly's BBC interview, where his kid hilariously barged in? Enter the DOORWING gadget, a game-changer in home privacy and convenience. This ingenious device transforms any door into a smart, automatic closer and opener, ensuring uninterrupted privacy. DOORWING enhances security while eliminating interruptions like unexpected intrusions. Its sleek design adds a touch of modernity to any space. Say goodbye to embarrassing moments and hello to uninterrupted meetings or peaceful moments with DOORWING. Now, how would you like to have that level of control over your privacy and security at home or work? Have you ever dreamed of a pedestal fan that's not just a breeze, but a whole experience? Enter the Dreo Pedestal Fan, a marvel of modern engineering designed to elevate your cooling game. With its sleek design and powerful airflow, it transforms any space into an oasis of comfort. Its adjustable height and oscillation feature ensure that every corner is kissed by coolness. Plus, its energy-efficient operation and quiet motor make it a joy to use. Say goodbye to sweaty discomfort and hello to blissful cooling perfection with the Dreo Pedestal Fan. The Bosma Aegis, the epitome of modern home security. This innovative gadget offers a seamless blend of cutting-edge technology and elegant design. With high-definition video surveillance, real-time alerts, and two-way audio, Aegis keeps your home safe and sound. Its advanced face lock sensors ensure effortless access upon your return, eliminating the hassle of keys. Encrypted data transmission guarantees your privacy is safeguarded at all times. Compatible with smart home systems, Aegis integrates seamlessly, granting you unparalleled control and convenience. Embrace peace of mind knowing Bosma Aegis is watching over your home, combining safety with sophistication like never before. The Homerunpet Drybo Plus, the ultimate pet care companion that's here to revolutionize your furry friend's bath time. This genius gadget takes the stress out of pet grooming with its powerful drying capabilities and smart features. With adjustable temperature settings and gentle airflow, Drybo Plus ensures your pet's comfort while speeding up drying time. Its compact design makes storage a breeze, and the detachable nozzle simplifies cleaning. Say goodbye to soggy fur and hello to hassle-free grooming sessions. With Homerunpet Drybo Plus, keeping your pet clean and happy has never been easier or more enjoyable. Behold the oversized electric recliner chair, a throne fit for royalty in the kingdom of comfort. Picture yourself sinking into luxurious cushioning, effortlessly reclining with just the touch of a button. This marvel of modern engineering boasts unparalleled relaxation, ideal for unwinding after a long day or catching up on your favorite techzoo videos in style. With its oversized design, ample space is provided for ultimate lounging bliss. Elevate your relaxation game to new heights with the best companion for your tech-filled escapades. Introducing COMFIER, your ticket to ultimate relaxation and rejuvenation. This ingenious gadget offers soothing heat therapy and customizable massage modes, targeting every ache and tension with precision. Its ergonomic design ensures maximum comfort. Whether at home or in the office, with adjustable intensity levels and versatile usage options, COMFIER brings spa-like luxury to your fingertips. Say goodbye to stress and hello to blissful relaxation with this essential self-care companion. Introducing the Holoepet gadget, a marvel of modern technology that blends innovation with irresistible cuteness. Imagine a cube-shaped device that brings holographic images to life, captivating users with its mesmerizing displays. From interactive virtual pets to immersive gaming experiences, Holoepet revolutionizes entertainment and communication. Its portability and ease of use make it a versatile companion for all ages, enhancing both productivity and leisure. With its charming design and endless possibilities, Holoepet transcends ordinary gadgets, offering a delightful blend of functionality and charm. Embrace the future of technology with Holoepet, where imagination meets innovation in the palm of your hand. Finally, the Haven Lock, a cutting-edge gadget redefining home security with its unparalleled innovation. This sleek and robust device transforms any door into a fortress, offering unmatched protection against intruders. Utilizing military-grade materials and advanced technology, Haven Lock provides a secure barrier that's virtually impenetrable, giving homeowners peace of mind like never before. Its seamless integration into existing door setups ensures effortless installation without compromising aesthetics. With features like remote access and intelligent monitoring, Haven Lock empowers users to safeguard their homes with ease and sophistication. Elevate your security standards with Haven Lock, the ultimate guardian of your sanctuary. Ready for more tech hilarity? Subscribe to techzoo for tech gadget adventures. Let's explore together. Hit that subscribe button now.